sister, I be my people. I no gree go. I no gree go. I dey there. I dey Libya. Say if I want die for Libya, me I die for Libya because the Nigeria self is not easy. To come go back again. I say if I want die for me, I die. If I just zero my mind, say I know they go anywhere. That's why I come to Libya. No do. When they don't take over Tripoli, everything does calm down small. Everybody does they move. Who they walk, they walk. Who they do what they do, they do. That's why I can't come back for where for the work. I can't go meet the man for house and the wife. I can't date here. So after then, I know my ex now can't call this burger, but the burger with an exchange number. They can't call the burger. Say they ask so person whether the person still there. Now I say yes. He can't pass phone to me. So me with a can't talk. He can't say okay. Now say see where they dey because they arrest them that time. Can't say see where they dey. They don't free them now. He go come meet me for that place. He go come see me. Now so he come they see me for there. So more time they come for the place where they dey. They come they walk for inside there. So as they work now, they can go rent house for near every day. So the rent house now, everything don't do okay. Now it comes okay, make I come stay with her. So I come stay with her for Libya. Till I stay with her from 2011, 2012. I stay with her 2011, 2012. So 2012 December, I can't go Nigeria. I not go there fine like that. Based on small money there with me. I've been one cross before, but they can't bust our ghetto, our camp where we dey one for cross this side. The boss and the can't carry us go prison. As I carry us go prison now, he can't boys, not say boys and girls, they will separate them from one place. Boys they one side, girls they one side. So now he can't get locked. So if some police come, they'll say that they look for people who want to follow them work. So they'll say you, oh yeah, come, but they go work. So from there now he can follow them, go they work 2-3 days. And from there all of them will go work, they can't escape. He can't feel escape manage, he can't reach us. So now he can't fight for my own. To make sure say my money go collect my money wey I suppose take cross for connection man and since he no come work again, he can't say me the connection man use the money to go pay me come. The connection man, he go if he talk and finish, he go say okay he here, he not go do anything. So one day I can't just zero my mind. I can't say today me I go run for that prison. So we are live like this where for the bring food for us. They will send everybody in line, so all of us come line. Me now come dey back, finish my turn I go draw go back, finish my turn I draw go back. That's why I just run enter inside one bush like that. Some people can still run follow me. Many people can all run that night. Me now based on the experience where I don't forget and based on say I don't forget go Libya before, so I get some experience. So as I run now, I know you run straight to road. As I run, I come dey inside bush when they want to complete that video. I come dey inside with one girl will follow me. I come there the girl say we go hide for here because other people where they run they go so they go they pursue them they go they fit catch them. So we were there where we hide they don't go catch us. We come there when they shout Allah Akbar that their morning prayer. Now tell the girl so you must start our journey. Now we come take a month. And the day we run on Thursday. On Friday and I be there on Sunday. We be saying they know they go anywhere. They just stay house. Now we come to they run. As we run, they just go now. Come down. Police come they pass us so that they pursue us. So we go run enter our computer building. We go jump enter from there. Come out again. You know. God really help me for Libya. Now so we come back. We come jam Sukodra. Who dey Libya? We know what it be Sukodra. Those people they sell fruit, vegetable. We can't jam then one black boy there, we can't go meet and say, sister, can't explain to them. And the boy can say, okay, so we more stay for one house like that. You can't go call your guy come. Your guy come explain to your guy will be Arab. Now your guy can say, okay. As you see us now, say we be girl, I can't tell the girl, say, guy, you know what it go happen? As we be girl now. If you want more we reach us, anything where the man talk, cooperate. Even though you say me you give and kpekus, cooperate, because if not, if he call police can't give us again, they go arrest or he go kill us to wait for here. The girl can say okay. So as he really come exactly what I talk, he can't your for put. So based on say the girl na small pikin, you know say all those Arab boys they do bad, they like small girls. So based on say the girl na small girl, you can't go meet the girl. Now the girl call yours, you know now they can't use how the rubbish or that the man can your release as he release. Like the man come say where will they go? Now say will they go Tripoli. Now the man can say okay, he can't carry us cross road, he can't go put us for bus, can't pay for give us money, we'll pay for transport, can't speak language for the man. Say maybe we not get passport, maybe the man try beat Boaba for us, beat all those police checking points. So the man can't really do he can't use us beat checking point, we call it Tripoli. As we reach Tripoli, I can't find phone, take call my ex. I come and say, hey, see where I do. He said me I can't taxi, me can call, as I can't taxi, I can't go house. As I reach house, I can't pay. Oh God, that's why I can't happy. If you see me that time, I don't manga. Inside there, I can't dey sick. As I reach, I can't dey sick. I can't call one nurse. The nurse now can't give me injection. Whether na fever, I be malaria injection, I know they can't give me, but I can't still dey okay. But inside me, I know say I not dey okay well. As I all collect